Alright, I'll be back down in a sec. Oh, no, you want to come with?
Yeah.
Sounds like a boat's chime.
Why the hell is there like a spider picture?
What?
There's like a picture of a spider on that button.
Because it's supposed to be a 6.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, now I feel kind of dumb. It
Yeah,
looks like a spider though.
It kind of does. Oh, fucking.
But yeah, I see the 6 now.
Yeah. Yeah, I can kind of see it.
Well, let's get out of here before we get caught by security.
This place is creepy.
It really is.
Honestly, a hospital with roaches should not be a thing.
This is a hospital?
Yeah, you didn't realize?
I thought it was like university stuff. Well, I mean,
It is like, it's a university hospital.
Yeah, I kind of realized it was a hospital, but. Shit, there was a water fountain. I kind of wanted it, but whatever.
It's alright. We'll get drinks.
Where are we gonna go eat lunch?
We'll find a place.
Alright.
Where the hell did Johnny go? Johnny, get it.